covering conductive and dielectric greases. In this video, we will be demonstrating the circumstances in which either an electrically conductive grease or dielectric grease should be used. Start by simply puncturing the foil cover using the cap, then screw the nozzle into place. Now, you can simply squeeze the tube to get an accurate bead of grease that you can trowel over to get higher surface coverage if needed. The same applies to our 8462 dielectric grease, which is also available in an 85 ml tube. The first demonstration shows how the 8462 dielectric grease can help prevent water from shorting a circuit. Without protection, the water drops short the circuit, shunting current away from its intended destination, causing the lights to go out. Now, we'll add the dielectric grease around the connectors. The hydrophobic nature of the grease seals water out, so the circuit continues to function as intended. For our next demonstration, we'll show how the carbon conductive grease can be used to bridge electrical contacts to facilitate a current flow. The grease provides a path for the current to flow between the two leads so the light can function. Here's another example of how dielectric grease helps prevent moisture intrusion. Simply add a generous layer of grease around the threading of a standard light bulb so water stays out and doesn't cause a short. It's not necessary to use the grease here, but is more an insurance policy should the light become damp. Take precaution though, as you must not apply the grease at the nipple of the bulb or you'll hinder current flow and the light will not work. Electrical grease is most commonly used as a gap filler to join irregular surfaces together. In this example, the grease is placed between the catch screw and contact. When tightened, the grease ensures there's no gap, ensuring a complete path for the current to flow. Our last example shows how the dielectric grease seals around plugs. We're showing a 9-pin connector, but you can use it around any plug. Many of our customers use dielectric grease to seal around plugs on marine docks to keep water out and prevent the pins from rusting.